If you are trying to connect to the internet on your Windows computer but it keeps giving you the error can't connect to this network, then keep watching, as in this video I'm going to show you all the ways you can fix this issue. So the first thing we need to do is identify its natural issue with our computer and not just the Wi-Fi by checking the internet on our other devices like a phone. If you can connect on your other devices, then it's obviously a problem with our computer or laptop, and in which case the first thing we're going to do is come to the Start menu and search for Settings and tap on the Settings icon. Inside of here, come to the Network and Internet tab, inside of VPN, and you need to make sure your VPN is disabled. You can see here mine currently says not connected. If it is connected, just press this disconnect button next to it. And we're then going to come down on the left here to Windows Update. Click the Check for Updates button and ensure you're running the latest version of Windows, as outdated software can also cause problems with your computer. We can then close out of this window, head to the Start menu and search for Device Manager, and tap on the Device Manager icon. Inside of this list, you'll see something called Network Adapters. We need to expand that tab, and you need to locate your network adapter. It should be called something like Wi-Fi. Mine's this Intel Wi-Fi one here. Then right-click on your network adapter and select Uninstall Device. We then need to come to Action and select Scan for hardware changes, and this is going to reinstall the network adapter to your system. As you can see, if I expand network adapters, I can see my Wi-Fi one here. Then once we've done that, we can close out of this window, and you're going to come back to your Start menu and search for CMD. Then right-click on the command prompt and make sure to run as administrator. Inside of this black window, we need to type in the following commands: netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. Then type in netsh space int space ip space reset.exe and hit enter. Then lastly, we're going to type in ipconfig space / flush DNS and hit enter. We can then close out of this window, and at this point in time I'd recommend restarting your computer and checking to see if the issue is fixed. If that's still not working, the next thing we can do is come back to our Start menu and search for Troubleshooting and click on the Troubleshoot Settings tab. Come over to Other Troubleshooters, and you need to run this Network and Internet Troubleshooter by selecting Run, and then just follow the steps on screen to try and identify any problems with your network adapter. Now, the very last thing we can do if that's still not working for you guys is come back over to the Network and Internet tab, and we're going to do a hard reset of our internet settings by scrolling all the way down here into Advanced Network Settings. Scroll down once more to find Network Reset, and we're going to press Reset now. Once again, this is going to restart your computer. But once your computer's restarted, that should have fixed any problems you're having with your network devices. If you still are experiencing problems, then I'd recommend moving your computer or laptop closer to your router. Otherwise, please drop a comment below and I'll try my best to assist you. If this video did help you, please drop a like and subscribe. Until next time.